Hi everyone, it's Kathy and I'm back with another journal. This one is a little bit different than I usually make. It's taken me quite a while to put it together, so that's why I've been kind of missing from YouTube. I got the inspiration from Bohemian Crafting. If you've never checked out her channel, please do. She has some fantastic journals, a lot of tutorials, and a very creative person. So a lot of my pages and designs, I got the inspiration from her. As you can see, the cover of this journal is a little bit different, style's a little bit different. It measures 5 by 8.5 inches. It has a 1-inch spine, 2 signatures, and 46 pages total, not including the front and back covers. I really enjoyed making this, and I love this style of it. In fact, I've got another one in the works as well. On the cover, I have some corrugated card, a frame with a vintage photo and some gears, and then behind here is a section of a clock. The spine is considered what they call a corset spine. You can see the strings that go through look just like a corset. And then the back cover just has some more gears. Again, it was such fun to make this. So let's go inside. I hope you enjoy looking at it. The inside front cover has a pocket with an envelope, an altered envelope, and it flips open like that, and you've got some ephemera. This video might be a little long, so I'm going to kind of have to go pretty quick through it. On this page, a doily with another vintage photo. On this page has a large tag with another little tag and a pocket, and then this moves over and you've got a tuck spot with another tag, and I just have it holding together with a gold paper clip. And this is a merchandise bag with another vintage image and a pocket at the top. And a little booklet for some journaling. The next page, the back of the merchandise bag has another pocket with a little tag. On this page has a light bulb. The idea came again from Bohemian Crafting. It was made by using a milk bottle. Makes it look a little authentic. And a couple of pieces of ephemera. And then a tag. And the next page has another vintage photo, and the background was done with an embossing folder, and then that flips out and you have some paper dolls, a pocket with an altered guest check, cute little girl picture, and then over here is a pocket with an envelope, and that opens up with a journaling card. this page has a pocket with another one of Bohemian Crafting's envelopes. You can see this is a lattice, and I did use some, what was it? Like not a wax, but just something that I rubbed on the lattice. And then there's a pocket with some ephemera. And then you flip this over and you have another pocket. And this opens up here. And you have another pocket. And you have room for journaling. And that just goes in there. And another tuck spot with an altered time card. Blank space for journaling. A pocket with a little booklet for journaling. And a clock with a tag. And then this folds out for pictures, a little pocket, and then the back is for journaling. And that has a magnet closure. And this flips up here with some pockets, space for journaling on the bottom, some ephemera, and then that closes with that. And the next page is a pocket with, again, a embossed bingo card, a tag with another little tag, more room for journaling, another page for journaling, tuck spot with the tag. It's an altered coin envelope. And inside is another tag. And the other side of the merchandise bag just has a receipt, vintage receipt. And then a pocket with another little tag. And then another altered envelope. And this has a journaling card, postcard inside. And then the next page is two doilies with two clocks. The hands actually move. And then this page has another lattice with a vintage photo. And you flip that up and you've got a tag with some paper dolls. And then another little tag for journaling. And the next page has a glassine bag with a tag. And this page has another pocket with another tag. And then another tag on this side. More room for journaling. A large frame with the vintage photo of a cute family. next page is another bag with more journaling cards. And then I'm not sure what you call that, but it has several pieces of ephemera. And then another vintage photo, a page for journaling. Actually, you've got 4 pages here for journaling, another pocket, and another altered envelope. You've got pockets. This opens here. You've got room for journaling on this flip, more room for journaling. And then you've got a pocket there with more journaling space. And then the back, you could journal on that as well. And the next page is another pocket with 2 little tags. And the other side of the bag, vintage photo, and another booklet for journaling. So there's plenty of room in this journal to put all your journal entries, memorabilia, photos, whatever you would like. Some coffee dyed paper. Another pocket that was made again with an embossing folder. Envelope, coin envelope with a journaling card in there. And then another tuck spot with another altered envelope, which has a vintage photo and a little ticket here, or a little tag. And then inside is another journaling postcard. And then on this page are 2 flip pages, and they each have little journaling cards in them. And then you just flip them to the other side, and there's more tags in the pocket. And then another journaling page, another tuck spot with a tag. And then the back cover, another pocket with an altered envelope. Pocket there, flip that open, pocket here, and then you've got a flap here for journaling, more room for journaling, and then the back cover. So this is quite a large journal. There's plenty of room for all your journal entries, your photos again. If you would like to purchase it, it is available. You can contact me at kathycadile@yahoo.com. I will give you all the details. And again, I enjoyed making this journal so much. It's such a fun piece to have. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next journal. It'll be coming up soon. Again, like I told you, I started another one with this same style. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Contact me again at kathycadile@yahoo.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again for all your comments and your messages. I enjoy reading each and every one of them. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.